Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I was making some keychains for a lady and she added this one this morning. And I had some problems with it, so I thought I'd show you what I do. So this, I already did 6 different versions of this. I'm going to make a duplicate and I'm going to move it over. So I have something side by side. I'm going to go to Object, Group, and Ungroup, and then I'm going to get rid of the engraving. I'm going to take this and hit P and put it in the center of the page. And then I kind of look at them side by side, and it's about the same width. It's about the same depth. So what I do is take this drawing, and you can see it's somebody else drew it. I'm going to make it a hairline. But watch what happened. And this is the reason for the video is how good you can close nodes. So let's take the Smart Fill tool and fill this in. And look what it did. So everything that's filled in is leaking. So I wanted to know if it was on top or bottom. So I took a 2-point line and did this. And then I did this. And so it's leaking in both areas. But it's not a big deal. There's no big gaps. Let me take that line away for a second. I'm going to grab this. And then I'm going to grab it with the shape tool. Well, I actually have to break it apart. Let me, whenever the shape tool won't do anything, it's because it's a group. So I'm going to ungroup it. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to nudge my keychain out of the way and the hole. Then I'm going to select it all. And I'm going to get look at all the nodes. Then all I have to do is select all the nodes with the shape tool. Then I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Join Curves. They're all selected. I've got mine set on 0.1. I could actually be less, but I'm going to hit apply. See the less amount of nodes. Now let's take this box, my keychain, back, and let's use the Smart Fill tool. Now, and because this is, whoever drew it drew like a stencil font, it's going to do that. So it doesn't leak anymore. And this is perfect because you're going to get, I should have kept a picture of the actual keychain. And then when I zoom in, I can tell the difference in line colors. So don't forget, if you're going to run this on a combo job, do this right here, move it out of the way. This is your outline, your original outline. So delete it. Well, best to move that out of the way and then hit this and delete that. Because remember I put them in a hairline? So if you do a multiple or a combination job, after it cuts out the hole and then the tag itself, it's going to go back in and destroy your name tag because it's going to cut stuff out. So I do that in comparison. I couldn't really shrink it down to make it the same. This box is bigger than this box, but it's just because the way the person drew it. Anyway, so remember join curves. It's really important, really helpful. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.